Let's see now the Edit menu. The first two options copies all the parameters in the channel to another channel. You can even paste between outputs and inputs, so be aware that you will copy the limiters and full-band compressor as well. We have another option called Snapshots. The software is continuously creating snapshots with a chronology of what is being changed. You can also force the software to make a snapshot at some point. We'll see all the snapshots in the Restore section. As you can see in this example, we have forced two snapshots, Initial Setup and Alternative Setup. The rest have been automatically made. Using snapshots is a fast way of trying different configurations during the commissioning. But be aware that the snapshots disappear whenever you close the software. So if you are happy with some configuration, you must save it into a preset in order to load it whenever you need it. The last option in the Edit menu is Output Limiter Unit. As you can see, you will be able to change the units you want to be shown in the limiter section. In the example, we have dBu selected, but it can be changed.